Hello foodies! Today we're diving into a classic comfort dish that's close to many hearts. Boiled yam served with a rich, flavourful mackerel and egg sauce. This meal is a staple in many Nigerian homes, and it's perfect for breakfast, lunch or even a cosy dinner. If you've ever thought this was complicated, don't worry. I'll guide you every step of the way, making it easy and fun. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, you'll find this recipe approachable and rewarding. This meal is simple, satisfying, and brings everyone to the table with a smile. It's the kind of dish that creates memories and brings people together, no matter the occasion. Imagine soft, fluffy yam paired with a vibrant, savoury sauce, bursting with juicy tomatoes, sweet peppers, smoky mackerel and creamy eggs. Every bite is a celebration of flavour and texture, making it a true comfort food. No fancy equipment or hard-to-find ingredients, just pure flavour and joy. All you need are a few basic kitchen tools and fresh, simple ingredients you probably already have at home. So grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's get started on this delicious journey together. Cooking should be fun, and I promise you'll love the results. Are you ready? Let's cook and make something truly special. Every great meal starts with great ingredients. The magic of cooking truly begins with what you choose to put on your cutting board. Each ingredient brings its own story, colour and character to the dish, setting the stage for a memorable meal. Here's what you'll need. A firm tuber of yam, which serves as our foundation. Its starchy texture and subtle sweetness make it the perfect base for soaking up all the delicious flavours we'll add. For the sauce, gather ripe tomatoes, red bell pepper for a touch of natural sweetness, fiery Scotch bonnet for a gentle kick of heat, and onions to add a savoury depth. These vegetables will blend together to create a rich aromatic sauce that's both vibrant and comforting. Canned mackerel brings a rich, savoury flavour and a hint of smokiness, while fresh eggs add creaminess and help bind everything together. These proteins make the dish hearty and satisfying, perfect for any meal of the day. Vegetable oil is essential for frying and bringing out the flavours, while seasoning cubes and salt tie it all together, enhancing every bite with just the right balance of taste. The yam is slightly sweet and firm. The tomatoes and peppers create a vibrant, flavourful base, and the mackerel infuses every bite with a deep, savoury richness. Each ingredient is carefully prepped to ensure the best texture and taste. Eggs will be gently folded in, creating a soft, luscious texture that brings the whole dish together. Their creamy consistency adds a luxurious finish, making every mouthful satisfying. That's it. Simple, hearty and packed with flavour. With just a handful of fresh quality ingredients, you can create a meal that's both nourishing and absolutely delicious. Let's prep the yam. Peel it carefully, slice into 1-inch rounds and rinse. Place slices in a pot of cold water to prevent browning. Add a pinch of salt, cover with water and bring to a boil. Cook for 15-20 minutes until fork tender but not falling apart. Drain and keep warm. Perfect yam is soft, slightly sweet, and ready for our sauce. See? Easy. Now, let's make that incredible sauce. Begin by heating a generous amount of vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Allow the oil to warm up until it shimmers, ensuring it's hot enough to start cooking but not smoking. Add your chopped onions to the pan. Sauté them slowly, stirring occasionally until they become soft, translucent, and release a sweet, inviting aroma. Next, pour in your blended tomatoes and peppers. Let this mixture cook down, stirring every so often until it thickens and the oil begins to separate at the edges. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. While the sauce simmers, flake your canned mackerel into large, hearty chunks. Gently add the fish to the sauce, being careful not to break it up too much so you get nice pieces in every bite. Season the sauce with bouillon cubes and a pinch of salt. Fold everything together gently, making sure the flavors are well combined, but the mackerel stays intact. Let the sauce simmer for a few more minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to become rich and savory. The aroma will fill your kitchen, rich, savory, and with a hint of spice that promises a delicious meal ahead. Our sauce is nearly done. Now it's time to add the eggs, which will poach gently in the flavorful mixture. Beat 3 or 4 eggs in a bowl. Lower the heat under your sauce. Pour eggs evenly over the sauce. Don't stir right away. Let them set for about a minute, then gently fold to create soft curds. Stir gently until eggs are just cooked and sauce is thick and chunky. Turn off the heat. You've made a beautiful rich mackerel and egg sauce. Let's plate up. Arrange slices of warm yam on a plate. Spoon the vibrant mackerel and egg sauce generously over the top. Take a moment to admire the colours and inhale the aroma. Grab a fork, get a bit of everything and savour the flavours. Soft yam, rich sauce, tender fish and creamy egg. You've created a classic, beloved meal from scratch. Enjoy every bite. You've earned it. Thanks for cooking with me. Until next time, happy eating.